But y'all see how like my face is naturally like contoured and highlighted and glowy? Is that melanin? Hey guys, it's your girl Pearl by no. This is not correct. Okay, you gotta come correct, girl. You gotta come correct. Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. It's your girl Pearl by Mel here. So as you can see by the title of this video today, it is going to be a makeup challenge. Yes, girl. I'm a little bit scared, like tiny bit scared, because this is out of my comfort zone, and it definitely doesn't take me 5 minutes to do my face. But your girl got this.
Why?
So I want to go ahead and say that I was inspired. I mean, I know that this challenge is old or whatever, but I was inspired to do it by Makeup by JT. I saw her do it. What was that? I was inspired to do this challenge because I saw Makeup by JT do it as well on her channel. I saw it on Instagram actually. So I was like, okay, I'm not actually want to do that because I've always actually wanted to do it, but I was scared, like hella scared. I was like, I don't know how. I was like, I don't know how like that's gonna work out because I don't take 5 minutes to get ready. But anyway, I've talked way too much. I hope that you guys enjoyed this video and see you know. Let's see what I'm about to do. Okay, so I am going to set my timer here. I hope you guys can see. I am going to set my timer, and and I want to go ahead and say that I already have like what I need out. No, I don't have everything. Okay, I don't even know if I have time for lashes. Whew, I'm nervous. I'm not going to be doing my brows first like I usually do because if I want to do my brows first, we're gonna be here in forever. So I'm gonna do my face first, and then my brows, and then we'll figure it out. Anyway, let me start. 1, 2, 3, let's go. I don't even know if I have enough foundation on. Let's see. I probably do because I don't color correct, so foundation is my color corrector. So I need it to come through. I look so weird on the camera because my brows are not done. Okay, now let's move to concealer. So I start with everyone. I'm not gonna be explaining what I'm doing, but I'm concealing my face. That's all you need to know. I think that was a bit too much. You know, when you're in a rush, you gotta do what you gotta do. So while I'm waiting for that to like dry, whatever, I'm gonna move on to my brows. Hopefully I can do that as quick as possible.
I still made it up.
I think I'm wasting too much time on my brows. Anyway, I'm gonna go back to blending this. How much time do I have left? What? I have 1 minute. Oh my god. 1 minute. I cannot believe it. What? At least if I have nothing, I gotta have at least my face together. Like what? This life is not for me. Oh. It is not for me. Okay, I'm gonna set my face real quick and try to contour and highlight. Like 40 something seconds. Oh, Jesus Christ. This is not the life that you've called me to live. And I was trying to put on lashes. What was I thinking? My alarm went off. I don't know if you guys heard it, but this is what I have. 5 minutes makeup challenge. Here we go. This is not the life that Jesus Christ. I was not called for this. Okay? I need my cheeks snatched. I need my eyebrows like filled in. Like, and I need concealer under. I need mascara and I need lashes. I'm hurt. Like, what is this? Like, my skin looks like I just have foundation on. That's what. I'm hurt. I'm hurt. And y'all girls been doing your makeup in 15 minutes? This is not the life I live. Plus, I'm a perfectionist, so it's gotta be to a T. I'm hurt. Like, what is this? I thought I was gonna do better. I'm completely disappointed, but yeah, this was Melian. And yeah, I am not your regular girl. I cannot do my makeup in 5, 10, 15 minutes. No, I need, me want at least 1 hour. I need at least 1 hour to do my makeup. Like, I need to be catfishing people. This is not giving me my catfish face. What am I gonna be catfishing like this? Like, my eyebrows look horrible. Anyway, I've talked way too much. I'm now gonna go ahead and do my makeup for another video, whatever. So I'll see you guys in my next one. Love you. Thank you for tuning in with me. Check out my other videos. Like, and honestly, just because I've been gone for so long doesn't mean that y'all can come back and watch me. Where are y'all? Honestly, where are y'all? Anyway, I've talked way too much. Okay. So see you guys in my next one. I love you guys so much. Make sure to thumbs up this video if you liked it. Comment down below, like, y'all, where y'all? Comment down below what you want to see from me, and I'll see you in my next one. Bye bye.
You these kisses and hugs, I thank God up above for all this talent.